The weather here has been brutal. My poor coconut trees. A special welcome to any new subscribers out there that might be tuning in. Thank you for your support. The older subscribers, you know that I haven't had rain here in Dak, North Thailand for nearly 6 months. And my garden is suffering massively, losing loads of things. It actually looks worse than the 16 million baht house we saw a few days ago. Dak does mean dry, so that should have been a clue. We're going to stay at home for a few days and yeah, see what we get up to. I gotta check this geezer out. He wakes me up every morning. Where are you? It's called a cow bird here in Thailand. Where is he? I can never find him. He knows I'm looking for him. He's up there somewhere. He'll be coming back 5 o'clock tomorrow morning, outside my window. Yeah. Oh yes. It's not all doom and gloom in the garden. We've got some nice Donson India. I'm not sure if they're from India or originate from India. Any Indian friends out there can let me know. But yeah, they're looking pretty good. Keeping their leaves, and they're great if you've got nosy neighbours. Around the other side of the house we have Bob the bush. Not looking so good. Bob should look like this. Instead he's looking a bit sorry for himself, but I'm going to bring him back. I do have confidence, but I might have bitten off a bit more than I can chew with this one.
5 hours later.
Oh yes, after nearly 6 months, no rain. Happy boy. Look at that. Come on. Oh, I think it was my breakdancing last night that actually did this. I threw some backspins and caterpillars as well. If any of you guys know what I'm talking about. Let's have a look at the Huai. I don't think it's going to be filled up yet, but hopefully a couple more downpours. Still dry as a bone. Anyway, it's a start.
Early the next morning.
Right, a bit of an issue this morning. Had water pouring out of this thing. It's all very well raining outside. I don't really want it raining on my head, and water was pouring on the desk down there. Now, I think there's a tube here that can get blocked up. This is the condensation or water runs down this tube. So let's have a go. Let's see if we can fix this thing. I give up. I think I made it worse. What is it about, guys? We've got to try and fix everything. I've had to call my man, Pradap, who's going to come round and fix the mess I've made. And we've got a right old mess here as well. These are like flying termites. When the rains come, they come from nowhere, to be honest. I don't know where they're hiding. Never see them. As soon as the rains come, they're up. And I left this light on overnight, and for some reason I think they think it's the moon, so they all swarm around it and they leave a right mess, as you can see. I feel sorry for them. I mean, you know, they only live for about a few hours and then just become ant food. Anyway, it's a nice start to the day. Hopefully my handyman's going to come round. I've also got a problem with my pump. Everything happens at the same time. I've had to turn it off. I think I've got a leak somewhere around the house, but the pipes are buried quite deep and trying to find a leak is not easy, but we'll give it a go. And I'll get the plumber out. I'm not going to do that myself because I'll probably royally mess that up as well. So let's have a little look. See if we got any water in the back, because it was raining again last night, hence a huge amount of rain flies. Ah yes, we have some water in the back. Oh yes. Oh yes. Not sure if you can see that. I need to cut some of these trees back. But yeah, I'll get my pump going on that. Got to be careful for these little guys here. These red ants, when they get hold of you, they lock on and inject a nasty bit of venom in you. And if you hear me yelp like a little girl, you'll know why. Because they seem to like me. And yes, you mate. Yeah, I'm looking at you, son. Don't think about it. I know you're thinking about it. Anyway, we'll try and find that leak. It's not all fun and games living in Thailand. Bingo. I could actually hear something coming from here. I don't think it's a big leak, but it doesn't take much to mess up the whole system. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to fix that. Not after my fun and games with the aircon. I'm going to get the plumber in for this. I'm not sure if Pattaya can do this one. It could have been a lot worse. We did have a leak or a pipe go under this concrete ramp where the car goes up, and we had to break the concrete. But it's quite strange. I saw a video from Wayne from the channel Living in Thailand. Great guy. I'll leave a link to his channel in the description. He had the same problem. Maybe it's something to do with the temperature change from hot season to rainy season. But Wayne used to be an engineer in the British Army, so yeah, he's much better at fixing things than me. Just something to add to the fun and games. A couple of days ago, our kitchen door that is on runners, it's a slide door, decided to jump off the runners. I think it was maybe because of the change in temperature. It fell and smashed, nearly hitting my boy. It landed on the wooden post opposite, but luckily didn't do too much damage to that. It has happened once before on the back doors. Cost about 600 baht to fix. So sort that out, and luckily my old boy was alright, because there was glass all over the floor, wasn't there? Good boy. So yeah, it could have been a lot worse, but it's still a wind up. Good boy. Come on. Good boy, son. Well, only a couple of nights of rain and the grass has come back. I have to get the brush cutter out. This guy's just come out to bloom, the orange flower. Fortunately, the wind knocked a lot of them off. These guys are great too. I remember buying these when they were tiny little things. I didn't think they'd survive. They look like conifer that you'd have, you know, in a northern hemisphere, western type climate. But they thrive out here. Don't give them much water at all. Must be nearly 2.5 meters tall now. So there are success stories. And there is Bob. All right, see how Bob's doing the morning after. All right, mate. Yeah, he's looking quite perky. Yeah. But I think half of it's actually dead. This looks like dead wood. Although there's a green thing there. Anyway, as I said yesterday, we're going to bring Bob back. You making money? You are, aren't you? You're selling ebooks online or something. Hey? Writing ebooks, that's what I like to see. Right, so the plumber and Pattaya are not coming today. I called them, it's nearly 4 o'clock and they're on another job. So like most tradesmen, they let you down, but anyway, I'm going to use buckets for this evening and hopefully they turn up tomorrow. I don't want to leave the pump continuously running. The leak is making it unable to shut off. And this is a water tank we put in when we first built the house. We didn't have government water supply back then. Looks like it's going to be buckets for the foreseeable future. Right, I heard someone at the gate. I think it might be one of the guys. Hopefully the plumber, because I do not want to be lifting buckets all evening. It might be the postman though. Let's have a look. Kidwa wani mema. find out where it's coming from. That's what I didn't want to happen, but anyway. More mess. He thinks it's under here.
Cặp.
Found it.
Yep, rồi là ban.
It's just started raining. I've been praying for rain and dancing for rain for 6 months, and the one time I don't want it to rain is when we're trying to keep this bit of pipe dry so we can stick it. Ah dear. I don't know, it must be like full moon or something. Because this basically has to be dry, and we're going to push that, the turquoise pipe, onto the blue pipe. But if it's wet, it's a waste of time.
Thầy luôn bên đây.
Bit blue on there. Well, hopefully that sticks. Chu alai.
Chứ nến.
Nin.
Nến.
Chang papat piset. So
ถ้ามันลงรั่วอีกตอนนี้ก็ต้องมาทุบหมกตรงนี้เลย ถ้าไม่หายนะ
chai.
ถ้ารั่วอีกอ่ะ
Jing le?
ไม่ถ้ามันมีปัญหาอีก
Oh, mi ban ha ik. Okay.
ถ้าไม่มีปัญหาก็โอเค อันนี้เอาไว้งี้ก่อนกันไว้
Okay. Ani ok ni mo lai. Phung ni lo.
พรุ่งนี้ก็ได้
Phung ni. Okay. Long na. Okay na. วันนี้มีปัญหาเยอะ
วันเนี้ยอันนี้มันยุบเนี่ยพื้นเนี่ย
Okay.
มันยุบลงไปปูนเนี่ยมันซุด
Chai.
เดี๋ยวมันทำให้ตัวนี้หักลง
Okay.
โอเคเนาะ
Cap come on a cab now. So we see what happens. If that doesn't work, then we're gonna have to break the ramp, which is a bit annoying. Tam 99. Ti dalada.
ที่ตลาด
Cap come on a cab now. Right, I need a beer. What do you got? One is a beer, mate.
ได้แต่มันยังมีไม่ครบ มีกันเลยมีแค่ลีโอช้างยังไม่มา
Oh, Leo,ก็ได้
แต่มันยังไม่เย็นนะคะ
ไม่เป็นไรครับ10 บาทครับ Okay. After a day like that, nice cold beer. Right, that was a bit of a wind up of the day, but nothing a cold beer can't handle. Right, it's too hot up here, even though it's the evening. I'm going to head down to the terrace for our news update and phrase of the day. Now, with all the rain we've been having, it's only right that we talk about the weather. So today we're going to talk about Fon Dtok. It's raining. Fon meaning rain and Dtok meaning fall. Dtok is a DT sound together. It's not really a tok or a dock. It's a dok. It's almost a soft T sound. Now, if you put ja in front of the dok, it becomes Fon Dtok, which means it's going to rain. Now, ja is a really useful word when you want to talk about going to do something, or if something's going to happen, or you're going to go somewhere. Ja bay dalat, ja kin cow, ja bay seven. So it's very useful when you're talking about something that's going to happen in the future. So at this time of year, it's a phrase you can definitely use. So today, as of the 5th of May, there was one case of COVID-19 with no deaths. That is the lowest daily number since March the 9th. Now in Pattaya, checkpoints have reopened with no confirmed cases for 3 weeks. As a result, Pattaya City is now categorised as a white zone or low-risk area by the Thai government. As everyone probably knows by now, but alcohol is legal as of the 3rd of May, and there were some crazy scenes around the country, but it is only to be consumed at home, meaning that nightlife hotspots still remain closed for the foreseeable future. So yes, the Pattaya bar owners, who are very hard hit by this crisis, held a meeting following the Pattaya governor's pledge to help venues during the COVID-19 crisis. All sorts of ideas were thrown around, including medical screening in popular places like Walking Street. However, with things opening up and people returning home, namely from Phuket, where there was a huge exodus a couple of days ago, health officials are warning of a second phase as 6 types of businesses and activities have been allowed to restart. Yeah, everything is looking better. Things are slowly starting to open up. It is really like dipping your toe in some hot water to see how things will react in terms of increase in infections. But judging by today's infection rate of 1, it seems to be okay at the moment. So yes, it was very nice of the plumber to come around after work. I know he doesn't actually live near here, he's about 10 kilometers away, so I'm really grateful for him coming around. I paid him a day's wage for about half an hour's work, which is about 300 baht. I appreciate it. I pay about 20 times that just for a call out fee in the UK. And I practice a little bit of Thai. So yeah, we'll see what happens tomorrow. Whatever happens here, it's still a paradise to me. And on that note, I hope you're well, I hope you're safe, and I'll see you in the next video.